Hello students, today we start a new topic, classification of stairs in module number 4, building components. So in this classification of stair, there are mainly classified in a three part. First is a straight flat stair, second is a turning stair, third one is a geological or continuous stair. Now turning stair is divided into another three parts: quarter turn stair, half turn stair, and a 3/4 stair. And in a half turn stair divided into two parts: dogleg stair and open well stair. And geological or continuous stair is divided into three parts. First is a circular stair, spiral stair, or helical stair. Now first we discuss a straight flat stair. So this type of the stair are running continuously throughout their entire length in a one direction only. So this type of the stair are used for the small houses where long but narrow space is available to accommodate the single flat stair. So generally this type of the stair is used where the height of the two floor is less, and we have a continuous we have a less space to prepare a continuous flat stair. So here straight flat stair is divided into two part. First is a continuous fly stair, and second is landing is provided in between the continuous stair. So see this figure. In this figure, continuous stair, straight stair is provided with landing. So here after few steps, landing is provided as a straight landing is provided. But if it is possible where we have a space, so this type of the stair we prepared. And see this second number figure. So here also landing is provided in a flat stair. Now second type of the stair is a quarter turn stair. So a stair turning through one right angle is known as a quarter turn stair, like L-shaped stair. So if a quarter turn stair is branched into two fly stair, as a landing is known as a bifurcated stair. So these type of the stair are commonly used in a public building like a central hall. The stair has a wider flat at the bottom which bifurcate into two narrow flat stair at a landing. So see this figure. In this figure you exactly seen. So stairs is divided into two part, or L-shaped stair is we exactly seen in a second number figure. So this type of the stair is generally used where the direction of the steps is changed. So we easily directly change the direction of the steps. So after landing we change the direction, so it's called a quarter turn steps. So in a bifurcated stair, one turn into left and the another turn into right side direction, and this staircase has either equal or unequal flights, and when the direction of the flight is changed at right angle to the left or right, quarter turn stair are used. So here two figure is also provided with landing quarter turn stair and without landing quarter turn stair. So in a with landing quarter turn stair, at a corner landing is provided, and in a continuous quarter turn stair, continuous step is provided at the corner side. Now third type of the stair is a dogleg stair. So dogleg stair, when these type of the stair are used when the length of the staircase is restricted and the width in such a way two flight can be accommodated. So this type of the stair is generally used in a residential building, and in this stair the direction of the flight is turned by 180 degree by the introduction of the half space landing at the turn. So see this figure. In this figure After half we reach landing is provided, and after landing at a 180-degree another steps is provided. So its name is derived from its appearance in the sectional elevation. These stairs are used where the total width of the space are available for the staircase is equal or twice the width of the steps. Now next type of the step is the open well stair. So space between the upper and lower flat causes the half space landing to longer, and in case of the open well stair there is a well or hole or open between the flights in a plane. So this type of the stair may be rectangular or any geological shape. It can be used for the fixing the lift, and these staircase are useful where available space for the staircase has a width greater than twice the width of the steps. So see this figure here, continuous step is provided, and one of the hole is we seen exactly in the center of the steps, and sometime we in this open area we also prepared or we also construct a lift for buildings, and when the space left is more, small flight containing 3 or 4 steps may be introduced at the turn between the 2/4 space landing. So 3/4 stair, so a stair turning through the 3 right angle is known as a 3/4 stair. So in this case open well is formed, and this type of stair is used where the length of the staircase is limited and vertical distance between the two floors is higher. So 3/4 stair is we construct. So this type of the stair are used when the length and width of the stair room is limited and the vertical distance of a two floor is very large. So here in a 3/4 stair, so first as you seen in a figure, after landing first turn is provided, and then after another landing is provided and turn the stair. Now third type of the classification is a geometrical stair. So in this type of the stair the string and handrail are continuous without any interval or level post and are set out in accordance with the geometrical principle. So there are mainly 3 types of the stair. First is a circular, second is a spiral, and third one is a helical stair. So circular stair or a spiral stair are usually made either of the ICC metal and in place at a location where there are space is limited. So sometimes these are also used as an emergency staircase and provided in a back side of the building, and these are the not comfortable because of the all these steps are a vendor and provide a discomfort. So here care should be taken during the any person movement. And here one of the advantage of the circular stair is that they require less space and construct in a less space area. So it's one of the main advantages. Now next is a helical stair. So helical stair looks very fine, but its structural design and construction is very difficult and complicated, and it is made of the RCC in which a large portion of the steel are required to resist the bending or shear torsion stress. Now here different material used in construction of the stairs. So first material is a RCC stair, second is a brickwork, third one is a timber stair, and fourth one is a stone we use to construct a stairs, and fifth one is a metal. So RCC, brick, timber and stone are generally used in a residential area, and metal stair is generally used in a industrial area. Now vertical transportation system. Next topic is a vertical transportation system. So here vertical transportation system is divided into two parts. First is a elevator or lift, or second is a escalator. So here elevator or lift. So the elevator may be used to move, used for moving both the people and material in a building having more than 4 stories. So people movers are described as a passenger elevator, and the elevator used for moving the material are called a freight elevator. So here elevator is divided into two parts. First is a material elevator, and second is a passenger elevator or a public people elevator. So for a very tall building with a large number of the elevator, the space of the lower layer may be major portion of whole building plan. So see this figure. So in this figure you see the lift or elevator is provided in a high-rise building. Now next is the escalator. So the escalator is a power driven continuous moving the stair with a design or to transport the passenger up and down short vertical distance. So escalator are used around the world to move the pedestrian traffic in place of where the elevator would be impractical. So the principle are used uses including the shopping centers, airports, transit system, hotel, public building. So escalator is used. So in a public building, this type of the escalator generally used, like in our India, this type of the escalator is generally used in a shopping center like a mall, and in a railway station. So where the number of the peoples are comes, so this type of the escalator is used. So here we finish our topic stair and staircase. Thank you.